welcome to Samsung Galaxy AI. That's the new generation S25 Ultra. I would like to introduce you to a true AI companion, photos, and AI features. With a Google Gemini, you can just do everything you want. So press the right button and there's something. Find the next 5 Barcelona games in Spain and send to my Google Calendar. Here we go. Then we wait and thanks to the voice commander we can just see all the information. Find the next 5 games in Barcelona team and send to my Google Calendar. You need to toggle slowly and get better information to see, and also you can just command all of that to the Google Calendar. Here we go, and also you get the location. Here we go. Find the best restaurants in Barcelona, close to the Mobile World Congress. Here we go. All the detailed information, even the location from the area from all the restaurants. Send it to Alex. I will send all this information to my contacts by WhatsApp or SMS. Just get the better information. I can just talk directly to and to my own language or even the language that Alex speaks. So he's gonna respond to me. Well, amazing with the Google Gemini. Then we're just gonna try one of the best cameras over the world. That's the new generation with the 10 years, and we can see a really like this. Even improvements, you can just create a really nice AI feature. Even if you try to make a lovely photo from the distance and erase objects. So, then I press a 3 stars from Galaxy AI. I'm just gonna generate it edit. So it means that I can erase objects. I tap eraser. Then I wait, I tap again eraser. Then all the selection are gone. Tap generate again. Then we wait. And everything is gone. We just need 2 seconds just to keep all the information and thanks to AI features for Galaxy and just wait. Wonderful. What else can we do? So we take the data corner and open this data brief. Let's go to Photosys. Drawing assets, that's an amazing feature. So be creative. Just make a lovely draw from a heart with these nice things. You can just make some selections with so 3D cartoon and let's go to generate. I can just be really creative. Then I let that 2 seconds just to like it. Wow, that's an amazing sticker for my fashion gallery. I just create an amazing site. Sticker site. What else can I do? So I can go back and choose my own image. So I'm just gonna choose a real image. I'm just gonna transform to a portrait. Choose that, selection, and then generate. 3, 2, 1, like magic. Yay, that's an amazing feature. So, what else can I do? I can just take my photo camera and it goes directly to the macro system. Again, you can just take this filter to make it mixed. So I can just choose my own fillers. Nowadays it's super easy. Choose the fillers from another photo. Wow, that's super lovely. I'm gonna choose this red filler. things with this new smartphone. Even interpret. I take this column, but then I'm going to interpret it. I can even talk. Hola, ¿qué tal? Then I choose my own language, it's English, and goes directly to this translation. I'm good, thanks. Directly to the translation. Like last year, the S24, it gives you this double chance. Muy bien, gracias. Aquí en Mobile World Progress. Thank you. Policies that works super lovely. Then you can just see more convenient things for the feeders, nightography, as well audio eraser. We want to see the audio eraser. We tap here. We're just gonna make that noise cancelling for the ambience. Choose a video and relax. Take away the demo from the voice, and only we're gonna keep this up here. Beautiful black. Only 5 seconds of my time is gonna create a professional video. Eraser, audio eraser. Super neat as well. On the brief, you can just create your own creations, and also we got here the hair. Let's see. Circle to search. I press here the home button. Then draw a circle. Here we go. Circle like that. Where can I sign it? Here in Spain, for instance, buy pistachio. I go directly through the website. This super easy way just to create your own features thanks to some